Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you Emirates business class amenity kit. This was from a July 2022 flight, so this would be the most recent amenity kit that they are offering. It's a Bulgari case here, so it kind of zips around, as you can see there. It's actually one of the better amenity kits as far as useful things go. Unfortunately, no socks given in there, but there are a lot of useful things which I'll show you here in a second. So in the amenity kit, from left top to right, you've got some tissues, you've got a comb, a dental kit that includes toothpaste, toothbrush, you've got shaving foam, a razor, aftershave balm. Then on the bottom you've got lotion, some fragrance, some Bulgari fragrance, agua, a lip balm, as well as deodorant goes. So here's kind of a look at the inside of that case, but I just thought I'd show you what that looked like. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share this with a friend. I'll catch you next time. Thank you.